This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to define variables in SPSS. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can do it from the variable view window, and I do cover the variable view window in a previous video on how to enter data into SPSS. But for this video I'm just going to define a single variable. I'm going to define the year variable here. 1 stands for freshman, 2 is sophomore, 3 is junior, and 4 is senior. And I would like SPSS to recognize that. Click the Data tab, click Define Variable Properties, and I want to define the year. So click Year, click the little central arrow, and it moves over to the Variables to Scan box. Click Continue, and SPSS has scanned that column and given me a list of values. So I've got 1, and I'm going to put the label of freshman. For the value of 2, that was sophomore. Value of 3 was junior. And 4, I want to be senior. Click the OK button, close the output viewer that pops up. And here, instead of numbers, I've now got my names. Now, if you don't want to look at the names, you can use the toggle button up here to the right to toggle between the numbers and the names. That's how to define variables in SPSS. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.